Rumour has it kicked over last week.
Come here. Good morning from the beautiful Bullara Station. We're spending 3 nights here, and I did the most calming yoga this morning from just behind the woodshed. It was like $5, 8 this morning. I'm not sure if they do it all the time or if it just depends if there's like a traveling yogi around, but it was just a really good way to start the day. But we're gonna just chill. There's a few walks we're gonna do. There's like, what is it called, trash can I think, and sunset walk that we're going to do this afternoon, and we're just gonna go and taste some yummy goodies and just chill, have a look around the station. Lane's gonna be stoked. There's like horses and animals just walking around, so that's right up her alley. So we'll go and do that, and I need to go and chase her because she's run over there. Bye.
We finally got it. Fix my little stuff up. Alright. Here's how you put it on.
Oh, sorry, I'm gonna make a bit of noise.
I think it's the wrong one. There we go. They even sent you a new bracket because you're probably going to break that too, right? No, mine luck. If you watched one of our last episodes, you would have seen that I bent our last leg like nearly in half. And we've been waiting for this for a month and a half now, I think. So
It wasn't that expensive to replace, really.
no, just more inconvenient, especially like
Beach camps.
yeah. There was like one day where we needed to jack it up off this side and I couldn't. So
That
but
looks
anyway,
so fresh.
look at her. Should have replaced them all.
How much was that? $180.
Delivered
That's not bad.
to Exmouth, and it took like a week or something like that. It was here earlier than what we actually when you picked it up.
Well, that's good.
Anyways, let's throw it up. Just like that.
Do you even know? Do you need the instructions?
Hang on a minute. Hey, that looks a bit better, right?
Are you kidding me?
Need me coffee.
You've had 2.
I only had 2. Simple as that. Nice easy one this morning. Luckily, like some of my breakages I can fix. I hate to see the moment we break something that I can't fix. Hey.
Yeah. There's always someone around though.
Yeah. Ready? Back in business.
Be careful our child doesn't come down that door.
I should be coming down to see what all the commotion's about. Imagine if it wasn't long enough. Hey?
Is that all you do to fix it?
That's it. We're done. There, we're stable. Look at that.
That one looks so new though. You're gonna have to. That's not straight.
Doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Sure.
That looks so fresh, and the other ones look so dusty in comparison.
Give it one trip.
Yeah, it'll be trash.
We'll try not to break this one. We might break another one, so we have to replace them all.
That is probably the one good thing about like those parcel posts is you can just get anything delivered to
Anywhere. Really?
Yeah, you just have to kind of plan ahead a little bit, hey?
Yeah. I mean, like, you got to expect it to take a little bit longer, but like that was a week.
But there's that tradies on tour and done on the road for if you need to get something fixed whilst travelling.
Like electrically plumbing.
What's all the noise? Hi. Show everyone your little buns. Oh, that's very bright. Show everyone your buns. Little buns on the girl. When did she grow up? Please explain.
Dad.
Dad. Say, Dad, did you fix it?
Fixed.
Mama.
So we're just up at Sunset Hill on Bullara Station, and it gives you like 360-degree views of the property. It's pretty sick. It's just like a 1.3k walk out and 1.3 back, or you can drive if you're not capable of walking that sort of distance or anything like that. But Lane hitched a ride, and what did it take us, like 15 minutes or something, 2 stubbies?
Yeah.
2 stubbies on the way out, 2 stubbies on the way back. Keep Dad happy. But get a load of it. I reckon it's going to be pretty good sunset, eh?
Lane, get your finger out of the can. Honestly, child.
Seriously.
So nice. Lane's funny. Just watching her run up and down, stacking it.
Bloody loves it, eh?
Oh, so much fun. She's yelling for you.
It's the other way.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's like when people do that Leaning Tower of Pisa and they're like,
Yeah.
Morning. So last night we went to that Sunset Hill walk. It was a beautiful walk, but last night we didn't get much of a sunset, so we didn't film anything. But Lane had a blast. She just rolled down the bloody dirt hill, so she had fun. Today we're going to go for a bit of a drive to the Gulf. It's about 20 kilometres from Bullara Station, and you just sign out at the camp kitchen just so they know if anyone goes missing or goes walkabout, they can kind of keep track. So, but apparently when you pop up the drone, there's just a beautiful transition of colours, and you can put your tinny, if you're blessed to have a tinny, you can take your tinny. There's really good fishing. Just keep an eye on the tides, but there's a list of all of the tide times in the camp kitchen as well. So come along and we'll have a look. Is that a bit better?
Just went for a walk looking for muddies for Kay and Lane to eat, but no luck. Here, oh man, keep missing them. Where'd he go now? Check out this little guy. Doop, 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 doop. As I was saying, just went for a walk looking for muddies, Kay and Lane to eat. Because I can't actually eat them, I'm allergic. And that hasn't been put to the test for quite a few years, but I'm not about to while we're out here. But yeah, no luck so far. And we're out at the Gulf, which be nice if you got a boat. It's a quick little drive, it's not nothing hardcore or anything like that, so just maybe air down your tyres a little bit and pack yourself some lunch and lots of water, because if you're going to spend a couple of hours out here, then and you don't want to get stuck either, so it's not too bad. It's pretty nice, bit of bird life and whatnot. Yeah. That's about it, eh? Let's keep going. Next spot.
Not giving anything away, are ya?
No. I like homemade pies, eh? They're pretty good.
What's the level of meatiness? Oh.
Bulk. That's good. Now I've got to try this. This looks just as good. That reminds me of Mum's.
Really?
Yeah, oh good.
Smothered in cream.
Smothered in cream. Hold on the jam.
Yeah.
No, they're good.
You bloody eat that, bruh. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that was good. Oh my god, yum. I love the like meat to gravy ratio. Crunchiness. 5 out of 5.
Worth every penny, she reckons.
How much was it? Did you take
lot.
out a small loan?
Yeah. It'll be on. You don't do this everywhere.
Oh yeah.
It's good, eh?
So good.
Score for that one.
I like a little bit less cream because I'm not a fan of cream. Like 4.5 out of 5. Why does my child always run off to the toilet? Dumb. You want to try, Lainey?
Come on.
What about the Lainey taste test? Ready?
No, maybe not cream.
You can have that bit without the cream on it. No.
She's been spewing a lot with sweet stuff.
You can't have cream. No. Let mum do it. Mum do it.
Take That'll be rocket fuel. That'll keep it going for a while. She comes back for more, Mum.
Oh.
Take your run away.
Flash, flash, flash.